Imagine earning your first $100 using only your creativity and passion. That's the allure of affiliate marketing on YouTube, a world where you can turn your interests into income. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just stepping into this digital arena, affiliate marketing offers a promising path to monetization with minimal upfront costs. Today, we're diving into a practical guide showing you how to make your first $100 with affiliate marketing on YouTube. Let's begin by understanding the essence of affiliate marketing. Simply put, it's a commission-based system where you promote products or services in your videos. When viewers make a purchase using your unique link, you earn a percentage of the sale. The beauty here lies in its simplicity and potential for seamless integration into your content. First, you need to choose the right niche. It's crucial to focus on a topic you truly care about. Think about what you're passionate about, or what you already talk about in your day-to-day life. Maybe it's tech products, beauty, fitness, or even books. Choosing a niche not only defines your content, but also determines your target audience. An engaged audience is more likely to trust your recommendations and click on your affiliate links. Having identified your niche, the next step is to select the right affiliate programs. Popular platforms like Amazon Associates, Share, A-Sale, and Commission Junction offer a variety of products that you could promote. Your goal should be to choose products that resonate with your audience and align with your niche. An important tip is to personally test the products when possible. This ensures authenticity in your endorsements. And remember, trust is vital in affiliate marketing. With your niche and affiliates in place, it's time to craft content that captivates. Remember, your primary aim is to inform and engage, not just sell. Consider creating how-to videos, unboxing videos, or product reviews that provide real value to your audience. As you create, naturally incorporate your affiliate links within the video description and mention them subtly during the video. It's crucial to maintain a balance between content and promotion to keep your viewers engaged. Next, let's address the art of crafting compelling video descriptions. This step goes beyond simply pasting links. Your video description should be an extension of your content, engaging viewers from the first words they read. Summarize the video content, include your unique affiliate links, and encourage viewers to take action, whether it's clicking a link or exploring further information provided. An often overlooked yet effective strategy is to regularly engage with your viewers. Building a community around your channel fosters trust and loyalty. Respond to comments, seek feedback, and even ask your audience what products they're interested in. This feedback loop not only strengthens your content, but also makes your recommendations more appealing. Consistency is your ally in this journey. Regularly uploading content keeps your channel active in the eyes of the algorithm and your audience. Plus, repetition helps reinforce your affiliate links and calls to action, gradually increasing your chances of earning commissions. As your views grow, consider optimizing your channel for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your video titles and descriptions to improve visibility. An optimized channel attracts a wider audience, translating to more opportunities for clicks on your affiliate links. At this point, you may wonder when you'll see that first $100. Patience is key. Affiliate marketing on YouTube isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a steady marathon. With dedication, the right strategies, and your authentic voice engaging viewers, your efforts will eventually pay off. As we conclude, remember that the journey to your first $100 in affiliate marketing using YouTube is as much about personal growth as it is about income. You're learning to create value and engage an audience. Keep experimenting, stay curious, and keep refining your strategy. Soon enough, you'll see your efforts reflected not only in your first $100, but also in the community you've built and the skills you've honed. Follow and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. If you are in need to generate income today, go to www.kill9to5.com.